What is the value of time taken by the girl who walked up on a moving escalator? Whereas the time moved by the girl in the elevator is given as t1. Similarly, the time moved by the elevator with respect to ground is given as t2. Here, the question is about moving of a girl with respect to ground. Here, we can solve this question based on a velocity. It's known that velocity is equal distance over time. So here, the velocity of a girl with respect to elevator can be written as d divided by t1. Similarly, the velocity of an elevator with respect to ground can be written as d over t2. And here we can write the velocity of a girl with respect to ground will be equal to Vg plus V. So here we can write V divided by T. D divided by T will be equal to D divided by T1 plus D divided by T2. So here we can write 1 over T is equal to 1 over T1 plus 1 over T2. When we are simplifying this, we can write T is equal to T1 plus T2 divided by T1, T2 when it was 1 over T. Similarly, T can be written as T1, T2 divided by T1 plus T2. So the correct answer for this question is option B here.